Congratulations for being selected to go for a global internship. Now here are some things you need to know to make your internship awesome. This internship program is called Global Entrepreneurial Program. This doesn't mean that you will be working on entrepreneurship. This means that during your internship, you will work in a new environment, do many activities and find a lot of solutions. This experience will enable you to develop entrepreneurial skills. These skills will help you easily work in new environments, take different initiatives, overcome challenges, and become a better manager for the future. This program caters to 7 issues all across the world. In 2012, we selected and sent 607 students from 31 cities to 20 different countries. And we want to send thousands and thousands more. Here is the main checklist for your internship. Have a valid passport with visa, flight tickets of course, address and contacts of all the people responsible for you in the host country, sufficient amount of foreign currency. You can also take international credit or debit cards, travel insurance, international SIM. This is optional as you will be able to find the country's local SIM in their international airport, and discount cards. These are also optional.
It's boring. You're boring everybody. Quit boring everyone.
Okay, now coming to the very interesting part. Here are some awesome tips that will prepare you for your internship. Read in advance about the country, its culture, people, traditions and customs. It's very different from your reality. You wouldn't have known that it's rude to point a chopstick towards someone in China. Or in Russia, the sun only sets after 9 p.m. You should know about the transport system in your host country, food availability there, important words in their native language, cost and prices of important items, rules and regulations of that country, important directions, especially of your home, your workplace, hospital, police station, metro station and other important places, the weather conditions in that country, and read more about the travel experiences of people who've already been there. It's recommended to read Lonely Planet. Please acquire all the information related to your job role and prepare in advance for the activities you have to do. After all, it's a global internship and you need to give your best. You can carry Indian gifts and souvenirs. This is of course optional, but this is really helpful in relation building and showcasing your culture. Please carry your own personal items like pillow cover, bed sheet, converter for electric appliances, laptop, etc. Here are some important pointers for your internship. You will be meeting different people from different cultures, having different mindsets and habits. Even your host country would be very different. Celebrate the difference. After all, it's not India. You will have to be flexible and adjusting. Understand the situation, empathize, and effectively communicate. Attaining this attribute would enable you to develop a global mindset. You will be working in a global team with diverse people. You should always strive to contribute to your team. Having a strong relation with the team members is very important. There might be some challenges while working in such a team. However, by effective communication, showing respect to others, and mutual consensus, most of them can be solved. We recommend you to read more about effectively working in a team. Attaining these attributes would enable you to be a good team player and improve your interpersonal skills. You might face some unexpected challenges while working in this new environment. Be solution oriented. Explore different possibilities to solve a problem and then implement it. Attaining this attribute would enable you to develop entrepreneurial skills. It's very important for you to remember that you're not just representing yourself but also your country. Your actions would create perceptions about India. Make us proud by representing India well. Professionally behaving is very important during your internship. There is a global stereotype that Indians are late.
It's true.
Please make sure that you are punctual and committed to your work. Also be very polite to others, especially your co-workers. We would like to introduce you to culture shock. According to Oxford Dictionary, it means the feeling of disorientation experienced by someone when they are suddenly subjected to an unfamiliar culture, way of life, or set of attitudes. The purpose of your internship is to ensure that you have a great experience and develop personally. You are most likely to get culture shock in the first or second week of your internship. Not everyone gets a culture shock, and it doesn't happen at a set time. If it happens, it can happen when you meet new people or experience different things in the new place. Following the local norm can also be a part of it. You might also face some challenges and unexpected problems, like your accommodation not being up to your standards or you not being satisfied with your project. These situations, along with the unexpected problems, can get you to have a culture shock. During this phase, you might be worried, upset, angry, or eager to leave. But not all people take culture shock negatively. For some, it makes the experience more exciting and adventurous. In case your culture shock is a negative one, well, you will have to live up to it. The strange cultural things would require some getting used to. After all, millions of people stay in that culture. Try being more understanding and empathetic. You will need to find solutions to all the problems you've had. And this is where the magic happens. This phase is called experiential entrepreneurial development. It will greatly enable you to develop a global mindset and entrepreneurial skill. This doesn't mean that you will definitely have to have a culture shock to experience this phase of learning. These two things are different and can happen without each other. But generally, these two concepts happen together. And towards the end, you are most likely going to be delighted. And this experience is truly going to be life-changing. Having a hard time believing us? You can read the stories of people who've had the same experience at culture-shock.me.
Oh my.
So, moral of the story, culture shock is good. Enjoy it. We are an organization of young people striving towards excellence, and excellence for us is giving you a great experience. Please help us give you a better experience by just answering one simple question. On a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend Global Community Development Program to a friend or colleague? We use this system of Net Promoter Score to measure our quality. If you give us 0 to 6, that means you are unhappy and dissatisfied. 7 to 8 means your experience was average and you are indifferent to this program. Giving 9 or 10 means that your experience was good and you would recommend it to others. This system also has an optional space to give us feedback and comments. You will receive 3 surveys during your internship. First, when you are matched on the system. Second, when your internship begins. And third, when your internship is completed. Giving early feedback will help us improve your experience sooner. You will receive a mail which would look somewhat like this. This mail will come to the email identity mentioned on your myisec.net TN form. We sincerely hope to give you a great experience. If you need any immediate assistance, you can mail or visit support.isec.in. This is ISEC India's centralized support system. Your message will reach your concerned home local committee. Please read the exchange program policies carefully to know your rights and obligations during your internship. These will be given in the exchange participant booklet. You can share your experience with us by sending us your pictures, videos, or a write-up of your experience. You can also share your story on culture-shock.me. The detailed information is given in your exchange participants booklet. Please don't forget to view it. You can also get more information at discover.isec.in. After completing your internship, you can also apply for ISEC membership and other opportunities. Please contact your local office representatives for more information. We wish you all the very best for your internship. Have a great experience.
It's gonna be legend. Wait for it. There it